Hi folks, welcome back to Arc Travel Studio. Today I am introducing an air blower from iBell. This is the start button. It is having a power adjuster minimum to max. From minimum 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then max. On the side there is a branding of iBell. This is called blower tube, or we can call as vacuum tube. This is an anchor for the blower. Both of the tubes are made of plastic. This is the dust bag. It is made of transparent cloth and there is a zip for removes the dust. Okay, let's connect for the air blow. Air blow is amazing, good power. Okay, now we can test for vacuum. I don't recommend this. There is a lock button for the start. We had to press both buttons together for the continuous work. Oh, the dust particle is coming out. I fixed it proper, but I think the bag is not up to the mark. Blower is amazing and the vacuum is good, but not producing that much power when it is compared to blower. And the dust collecting bag is not up to the mark. I think because of the worst quality material that they used. And the conclusion is, it is a very powerful 600 watt portable blower from iBell. It is very helpful cleaning on houses, PC, furnitures, a lot of things. That's all folks. Decision is up to you. See you on the next video. Signing off. Bye.